Hi, I'm back. It's been several months since I've done any paper crafting because I went on to diamond painting, which I've thoroughly enjoyed doing, but I found that I'm too quick at finishing them, that I needed to slow up. So I thought, right, back to what I really enjoy most, which is paper crafting. So today I'm going to show you the latest one I've done. I followed a tutorial from Scrap Queen. She is fantastic. She's got the most beautiful things that she's made. So pop along and have a look at her YouTube. It's well worth it. She did this in different papers to me. The papers that she used were nice, but they weren't my style. So I decided that I was going to do this in the Graphic 45 Safari papers because I absolutely love them. So this is the suitcase, as you can see, and they've got nice leather straps going here and a nice leather strap for the handle, and that's the sides and that's the back. I had to get the hinges locally because I'd run out of hinges. Now, these are suitcase catches here, and I'm not very happy with this one. So I've ordered some more, and because I'm waiting for them to come, I haven't completed this part here with black over it because I'm going to take that off and replace it. But the rest of the suitcase, as you can see, is covered with this nice paper and then just black to edge. So that's the suitcase. Heaps of room in here for lots of goodies. And then this is the portfolio, which is lovely. With the paper, I continued it onto the spine and then just different on the back. This here is faux leather, so, and on the spine, so it's really sturdy. It's quite heavy and it hasn't got any photos in it yet, so I'm going to turn it around so you can see it better. Right, as you'll be able to see, they are the best papers. Right, so you've got two large pages here that you can put photos on, or even leave them as they are because they're so pretty. And then you come to this. This one here is a belly band. You can pop photos behind it. Here's one of the spare ones. I didn't cover the back because I liked the giraffes, but that's entirely up to you. In here is a pocket, so you can put 6x4 photos easily in there, and otherwise if you wanted to, you could just pop some smaller ones in. Now I've put these onto magnets because I just felt it needed it. So that opens up, and here you've just got this design paper and it matches the other side. You put your photo on there. Now this here, as you can see, takes easily a 7x5. Now I've popped that there, and that is to give the magnets a little bit more support because this is just 1 inch wide. I didn't want the paper to go too thin there and then expose the magnets. It's freestanding here so that you can still put your big picture or whatever underneath. It's not going to deter from that. And that opens that way, and you've got a lovely big page here, and I made this pocket here that's got like a little belly band, and you can put all your bits and pieces. You can put photos in there, but I thought it would be nice to pop in things that were left from the paper collection, so whoever receives this then can make up the little envelopes and things and put them into the album themselves where they want them to go. So that's a nice little area there. And then you come to this page. This area here has got a very big pocket, and I don't know, let's have a little try with this. Yes, easily 6x4 will go in here. I was thinking of the depth, but yes. And that opens up, and you've got a good area here for 2 photos or journaling. And then you come to this space here for journaling. That folds back, and you've got a pocket here. Plenty of space in this album. and a space there. And then the other side, you've got, I do like those zebras, you've got another pocket there. Excuse me. And then this one does the same. Another pocket, opens up, and you've got an area there. Whoops, and opens this way. Another area for photos, and then the zebras again with another pocket. So that goes like that. That's right. And then close this up. You take it this way and open it that way. And you've got an area here in this big diagonal pocket that you could put several photos. You could get 2 of these little booklets easily in there, or 1 big photo, because that's the size, the depth. You've also got a space here, right across here, that you can put more photos or tickets or anything that you want to pop into your album, really. Then this page here, that's a pocket, and that's a pocket. It's quite cute. Turn it over, and then you've got 2 more pockets there on the back of that. And then this page here, you've got hidden. So they just slide inside. So they're that depth. And you could fit photos on there. On here, you can put a photo, or you could put some of the pretty things that are left, or whatever you want to do on there. Now, this actually opens right up. Let's open it this far. So that's what I've just shown you, and on the back of it you've got this big pocket again. That's beautiful. And then you've got journaling space and a photograph space there. So, and then when you open it this way, those are the 3 that I've just shown you, and it takes you to this big back page that again takes a very large photo or several small photos. So fold that all back. Let's get it the right way, that way. And then we've just done that. So we open it that way again. It's hard upside down. So this page here is beautiful, the map of Africa. So it worked perfect for this one because I didn't want to cut any of this off. So that was quite nice. So this design from Scrap Cream, where you put these like this, works great. And it's longer than you think, the tag, when you take it out, because it goes the whole length of that page, width of that page. And there's another one, and that pops in there. Of course, if you wanted to cover that up, you could, but I wouldn't want to. This page here, you've got a little tuck spot there on the flap. They're both identical. And then that flaps over, and then that flaps down and up. So, where's my page again? So you've got a pocket, a pocket, a pocket. So plenty of space. And again, you've got 3 pockets there. And then that opens up. You can cover those if you want with photos. And you've got another big pocket here that you can put a big photo in. Or you could just put a photo there if you wanted to, and still pop photos in there. It's entirely up to you. So that closes down, and then it opens this way to the last page. Now this one, this side, is just 2 diagonals, like that are covered in with beautiful papers. That, as you can see, is a huge photo mat, and it fits nicely in there, and then that one also fits nicely in there. And it would take more than 1 in each section. And then the waterfall. I like this waterfall because I like the fact that you can see the picture all the way down. I love that idea. And just black on the inside so that you can just pop all your photos straight onto it. I did exactly the same until I got to the last one. Then the last one has got this little envelope on for you to put a secret note in. And it's left open at the back so that you can add a picture if you wanted to, or whatever you want on there. This whole waterfall is a belly band. So this is the final booklet. and I just used scraps of what was left, and I could easily do another one with what's left and fit it under there. And that's the inside, and you could put a large photo on the back. Now, Scrap Queen, when she made the entire thing, she put 2 other journals that she made. Well, not journals. One was a journal and one was like notebooks. And it all fitted into the suitcase nicely. I'm not going to do that actually, because I have found something by somebody else that I like. And I think it will fit in nicely with this theme. So I'm going to have a go at that next week, and I'll come back and show you when I've finished, and you can let me know in the comments what you think. Thanks for watching. Bye.